We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as immunization. You do want to stress on the fourth syllable, the xi syllable. Immunization. Note the sound of the third syllable, the ni sound here. Immunization. In American English, however, it is said as immunization, with a ni sound on the third syllable. Immunization in American English versus immunization in British English. Did you get it? Did you get the difference? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if this was any helpful. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.